Hello friends, in this video I will show how to copy and paste in different ways. So open Notepad, for example. You can use this method in any document like MS Word, Excel. So copy and paste for open like this the Notepad. So here is my text. So just select it, right click on it and copy. Make your cursor anywhere like you want to copy from here. So start to end or end to start, select it. Then right click and copy and paste. So right click and paste here. So this is the first method. Second one, press Ctrl A, so it will be selected. Now Ctrl C, so it will be copy. Now here just press Ctrl V. So this is the second method. You can use the copy and paste by shortcut. To copy, Ctrl C, and to paste, Ctrl V. Make sure, remember, keep in your mind, Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Third way, like move your cursor in start and just one click. So it will be selected. Now drag and drop anywhere where you need to paste. But make sure this is the not copy, it's actually cut. So it will cut and it will drop here like this. So this is the cut and paste. Pick and throw. We can say in my words, pick and throw. This is the new words for this term. So this is the way guys you can copy and paste in Windows 10 or 11 or any version. This is the same method and almost you will find this universal shortcut Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you think this video is helpful, so support and show your love to my channel by subscribing my channel. See ya.